I lost 180 pounds. Let's start living life. This is life after weight loss. Hi guys, we're upstairs. We're wrestling. Come here, where'd Sam go? Oh, boy, don't you pee over there. I'll be so mad. Lou peed up here once or twice. Girl, this is their wrestling place. But I come up here and I just can lay on this old carpet. Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. How you doing, lady? How you doing, lady? It's what we've been doing in the evening times. Hi, lady. Sam, go ahead. He said, guys, it's hot up here. It's hot up here. We got outvoted. Baxter says, I'm not coming up there. He says, nope. Nope. Get her, Sam. Get her, Callie. Get him, Callie. Get him, girl. She's like, no, we done had our wrestle fest. They had 2 Benadryl and I had 1. Now I'm going to show you what I'm going to take with me to the thing tomorrow. I'll show you all the stuff I've made. These are my pancakes. I don't even remember the flavor, but I think it's pecan and then 1 waffle. So that is egg whites and I got hair on my face. Egg whites and protein powder. And then this is egg whites and protein powder. I'm going to take 3 of these meat sticks. I am going to take some rutabaga, some raw rutabaga to munch on. I'm going to take some raw veggies to munch on. I'm going to have these to munch on. Listen, I don't know what I'll eat and not eat, but I'll have it. And then I'm going to have, this is what I made the other day, my favorite meal. So this is whenever they're eating their smash burgers and whatever. I might have a salad with it. I don't know. But what I can say is, by George, even if I eat all the things that I'm bringing, okay? Even if I do eat everything, what I can say is it's still better than eating their dessert that they're going to have. So, yeah, so that's my plan. All right, bye. I'm going to try to see what the difference is in my weight today versus what it'll be tomorrow. Let's see. 172.8. So after sitting all day and stuff, we'll see what it is tomorrow. It is 4:30 a.m. Before things get started, I'm just showing you the lunch menu. And this is why I bring my food. Okay, guys. So I brought my stuff that I made the other day. It's steak and onions and peppers and some rutabaga. I can't show you Suzanne's because there's stuff written around it. But I see fried chicken, and they have smash burgers, and they have salad. And what was that, pickles? Mm-hmm. Oh, they got pickles and tater tots. There you go. So that's some of what they have. Okay, bye. I'll show you what they have here. So they have salad, buns, that's the fried chicken, then those are smashed cheeseburgers, tater tots, and toppings for the burgers. So those were the options, but you know me, I just don't trust myself. Oh, and over here, they have ooey gooey butter cake. Before on the drive up, I had my, on the drive up, I had one pancake, a bag of my, hang on, I'm fighting with this thing, just a minute. I had one of my protein pancakes on the drive up, and then I've had 2 meat sticks, and I'm about to have me some more protein, the other protein pancake, because your girl is, I'm going to be seeing people eat that ooey gooey butter cake, and let me tell you, if you ain't never had ooey gooey butter cake, doggies, you people don't know what you're missing. But I do, so that's why I'm not having it. So, all right, anyway, gotta go. So I've had a couple meat sticks. I had a protein coffee this morning, and I had my protein waffles. I'm gonna have protein waffles here in a minute, and I'm making me a coffee right now. So just keep me updated, and I'll show y'all what I did buy. What I bought, but y'all know, just don't you say one word. I'm gonna show you. Shut up. Bye. Bye. First off, I'm kind of mad at last night's Terri. She didn't have any meat cooked, so I have to do it tonight. But it is what it is. It's 7:21. I just got home. So we leave at 5 in the morning, and I'm home at 7:20. I'll let you do the math as to how long that takes. I want to check and make sure I got any kind of food or whatever out of my purse. Hang on just a second. So before we go any further, I have had that amount of nuts. I am so proud of myself. I showed up for myself. On the drive back, I probably had about 4 or 5 handfuls. I had a few handfuls while I was there. I'm just trashing it, so I don't have to think about it. So go Terri, go Terri. It's your birthday. No, it ain't. All right, so I have had tons of coffee today. I took some powdered creamer and my liquid stuff in containers. So I'll have to wash that. I don't know where I put the liquid. We're going to see what I ate. So I ate my protein pancakes. This is not for me. I have a nurse. It's her birthday. We have to decorate the office tomorrow, and so we always buy their favorite kind of candy bar. So that is not for me. I got it while we were on our trip. I still have these veggies, these raw veggies. I'm going to put them back in the refrigerator. I'll take it tomorrow. I did not eat any of my chicken sausages. I did eat my steak and onions and peppers. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the refrigerator. I did eat both of my pancakes that I make. I could take this tomorrow. I did eat both of my protein pancakes. I ate the baggie of rutabaga. That's not it. So I ate a baggie of rutabaga. On the drive home, man, I was chewing that. Let's see. No, this just goes back to work. So, yeah. So I don't even remember what all was in there. I ate 2 of my meat sticks. I think I have another meat stick down here in my purse somewhere. Hang on. No, let me see if it's on the other side. Hang on, I'm feeling. Oh, yeah. So I only ate 2 of my meat sticks. I'll put this one back in. I keep them in the refrigerator. Now, tomorrow night is pool night. So, yeah, look at that face. Hey, girl. How you doing, pretty girl? She says, y'all, Mom fed us at 4:45 or 4 o'clock. And then she made us wait until 7 o'clock to eat again. You know, he thought he was on his deathbed. Oh, I come in, I went to the bathroom, and he was in there just nudging me. I'm like, I'm sorry, boy. I can't help it. So I know you guys are walking around. Hang on. I got to get my stuff ready for tomorrow. Anyway, so yeah, I was going to the bathroom. Look at me. Hi, girl. How you doing, girl? You're looking good. It's hot in this house, but probably because I've had too much coffee. What else? I don't know. Anyway, like I said, I'm cooking this ground beef. I don't feel like eating. I've ate so much today. I'm not going to eat tonight. I just don't feel good. It's been a long day. I had so much coffee. I need to drink this is water. I need to drink these as much as possible. I had to take 2 Imodium this morning. 1 Imodium while I was there because I felt it rumbling. And then I took 2 Pepto before I left. Why am I so hot? I'm too delicate for this. Anyway, and then I had 2 Pepto before I left. So I had 3 Imodium, 2 Pepto. But still. But I know it's because of that antibiotic. So hang on, I got to flip my burger. I don't have a flipper. This is my favorite flipper. That's my favorite flipper. Oh, wait a minute. No, it's not my cast iron, so I need to use one of these. I'll use this flipper. Since I put my cast iron up for a while, since I'm not doing steak much, it's like, girl, you don't have to use your cast iron all the time. Since you're just doing burger. And also, I'm doing it because I I'm cooking veggies a lot. And so I would rather cook my veggies in this. So right now I'm going ahead, I'm flipping it, and I'm cutting these into strips. So that way, when it's all done cooking, I can put it into my 3 servings. Okay, now, how long is this? I don't know, about 3 minutes. Oh, I'm so brain fried. I just love you people, but we're gonna call it a day. If I eat anything, I'll try to tell you tomorrow. I sure ain't gonna wait around for a creamy. No, and I don't feel like eating. All right, I love y'all though. Bye.